Hey guys, it is Thursday, April 2nd. Today we need to do some theme review for Romeo and Juliet. So the first thing that you need to do is go down into your Romeo and Juliet folder. Down here, it's the yellow one. And then click on Romeo and Juliet theme review. It'll bring you to this. Hi. It will open up this slideshow, which you guys should all have a copy of, and you should be able to edit it. So what you need to do is follow the directions on each slide, and then the blank one that comes after it, you guys have to edit it. You guys will be turning this in. So there are some notes in there and reminders about what a theme is and about how to do all this stuff, and then places for you to write. So make sure that you're typing on those blank slides. The second thing that you need to do is get signed up for a discussion time. We're going to do an online discussion next Tuesday. So in order to do that, we have to sign up for smaller groups because the way Google Meets works, it gets kind of messy if there are a lot of people. So I made a sign-up sheet. If you go to your Romeo and Juliet folder, and then at the very bottom it says Romeo and Juliet discussion sign up. Click on that. This should be editable for you guys. Please sign up before noon on Friday, April 3rd. So that's tomorrow. So sign up today or tonight so that you don't have to worry about it tomorrow morning. Your discussion spots are a half hour long. Tomorrow you guys are going to get the discussion questions so that you can start working on those. So sign up for a spot. Don't delete other people. Make sure you're paying attention to what time you're signing up for so that you can make sure that you're ready on that day. All of these are going to happen on Tuesday, April 7th. So make sure that you figure out a half hour of time that you can be around to do the discussion. If you have questions about this or concerns, let me know. We can get you all figured out so that everybody can get a discussion score. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.